Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set your language in Expedia. This is particularly useful if you want to browse travel options in your preferred language, making it easier to understand all the details and options available to you. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding, as this ensures your language preferences will be saved to your profile. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the toolbar. You'll notice a small flag icon sitting there. This icon represents your current language and region settings. Click on it to access the language options. This is your gateway to customizing how Expedia displays information to you. After clicking the flag icon, you'll see a menu appear with various options. Navigate to the section labeled Language. This is where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to suit your preferences. Click on the drop-down menu next to Language, and you'll see a comprehensive list of available languages that Expedia supports. Browse through the list and select your preferred language. Whether you're more comfortable with Spanish, French, German, or any other language offered, simply click on the one that works best for you. This selection will change the entire interface, including menus, descriptions, and travel information, making your browsing experience much more intuitive and personalized. Once you've made your selection, look for the Save button and click it. This step is crucial as it confirms your choice and applies the language setting across your entire Expedia account. You might notice the page refreshing or reloading briefly as the changes take effect, so give it a moment to process. And there you have it. Your Expedia account is now set to display in your preferred language, making it easier for you to search for flights, hotels, and travel packages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.